Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure Clipboard is enabled in system settings and any Clipboard manager isn't paused. Next, restart the core service. On Windows, that means restarting Explorer. EXE, on Mac OS, relaunch the Finder. Once done, close apps known to intercept Clipboard data, like remote desktop or third-party managers, because they often block copying. If you're on Linux, restart your desktop shell. These first actions remove common blockers and prepare the system for deeper fixes. Now you move into the detailed execution. Open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and look for Clipboard using processes or anything using lots of CPU. End them selectively. Then disable browser or app extensions that monitor or modify Clipboard behavior because they can block normal copy operations. Clear any Clipboard history or cache from your Clipboard app. Old corrupt entries can break copying. Once those processes are stopped and cache is cleared, attempt a fresh copy. This isolates. Finish by repairing or resetting. If restarting services didn't help, reboot the entire system to clear lingering locks. Reinstall or reset the Clipboard utility or the OS Clipboard components to restore default behavior. Once complete, test copying in multiple apps to confirm success. If it still fails, create a new user account or boot in safe mode to see if the issue is profile-specific. This isolates corrupt settings. Troubleshooting tip: if copying works in safe mode, reset extensions and user settings. One of them is the culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.